And welcome. In this video we'll talk about attendance module. Navigate first to attendance, and here we have two option: my attendance and class attendance. In my attendance, as in staff, I can view our attendance details for select month from here, and I'll get now all details for this month, and can check total present 8 days, absent 23 days, and leave 0 days. To mark your daily attendance, click on start attendance, then your attendance is marked for the day, and can get all details for check-in and check-out from here. Next is class attendance. If staff has any class in charge, then how we can manage class attendance? Go to this section, manage, select class, select section, and here we can mark attendance for students present, absent, or if want to mark all present and individual as well. Then submit, proceed. You will get overview for all class: 2 absent, 17 present, 0 leave. Submit attendance. Attendance successfully marked for class 6 section A. How we can check attendance for the same class? Go to class section, class attendance, select class, select section. All attendance will show here like this for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and for today. And it will reflect you total presence, absence, and 0 as well. And if you want to go for monthly wise, then click here, select month or choose date, then filter, and if you click on reset, then you will get into your current day. This is the way to manage attendance and staff profile. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.